In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income online. One of the most popular and effective methods is through Google Ads. If you're looking to make money through online advertising, Google Ads is a powerful platform that can help you achieve your financial goals. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how you can make money with Google Ads and unlock its full potential. What are Google Ads? Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an advertising platform developed by Google. It allows businesses and individuals to create and display ads on Google's search engine and its advertising network, which includes millions of websites, videos, and apps. These ads appear when users search for keywords related to the products or services being advertised, making it a highly targeted and effective advertising solution. Ways to make money with Google Ads. Running your own business. One of the most direct ways to make money with Google Ads is by using it to promote your own business. By creating targeted ad campaigns, you can attract potential customers who are actively searching for products or services you offer. When done effectively, this can lead to increased sales and revenue for your business. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers use Google Ads to promote products or services offered by other businesses. When users click on their ads and make a purchase or perform a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter, the affiliate marketer earns a commission. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to select the right products or services to promote and create compelling ad campaigns. Becoming a Google Ads expert. If you become proficient in using Google Ads, you can offer your expertise as a service to others. Many businesses are willing to pay for the skills of a Google Ads specialist to optimize their campaigns, reduce advertising costs, and maximize their return on investment. YouTube advertising. Google Ads extends beyond search engine advertising. You can also create ads for YouTube, reaching a vast audience of video viewers. Monetizing YouTube videos through Google Ads can be lucrative, particularly if you consistently produce high-quality, engaging content. Google AdSense. While not directly related to Google Ads, AdSense is another way to make money through Google. AdSense allows website owners to display Google Ads on their sites, earning revenue when visitors click on the ads. If you have a popular website or blog with substantial traffic, this can be a passive income stream. Tips for success with Google Ads. Keyword research. Invest time in thorough keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience uses. This will help you create highly relevant and effective ad campaigns. Quality score. Google rewards high-quality ads with lower costs and better ad placements. Focus on creating compelling ad copy and landing pages to improve your quality score. Budgeting. Set a realistic advertising budget and monitor your spending carefully. Google Ads allows you to control your daily spend, ensuring you stay within your financial limits. Ad testing. Continuously test different ad variations to determine which ones perform best. This includes testing headlines, ad copy, and visuals to optimize your campaigns. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the success of your campaigns accurately. Knowing which ads lead to actual conversions is crucial for maximizing your ROI.